Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
Checking in on those hot temps once again, but we actually see blue instead of all red behind Cindy, so I think that's a good sign, right?
It is. It indicates that we did not quite reached the record high today in Miami and Fort Lauderdale, but Key West did. It broke their record, 91 degrees. The old record was 90, but we came close today, but we have to thank the clouds for cooling us off just a little bit. But this is what we're looking for next. Extreme heat, well, that is going to continue. So once the clouds are moving out, the heat comes back, right? So feels like temperatures between 100 to 108 degrees. That's some dangerous stuff. That's cumulative, too. We've had several days now with this kind of heat, so you got to be careful. If you're one of those folks that works outside, drink lots of water, get inside by the air conditioning when you can. Just slow down just a little bit. Better storm chances next week and cooler temperatures with drier air. So we've got some things to look forward to here. It's not going to be this hot forever. 95 tomorrow, so yep, we're going right back up there again. Now this is going to be dependent on the cloud cover. If we see a lot of clouds, we won't get quite that warm, but keep in mind there's a lot of humidity out there, so it's going to feel even warmer than 95. Saturday still hot, Sunday still hot, but what happens here? A cold front wants to slide in, and if it makes its way all the way through, we will turn our winds, get a little bit drier air in here, and a little bit cooler temperatures, so that's some good news. So tomorrow, Friday, 95, that would break the record again. Saturday, coming close again. Sunday, right in there. And then Monday, finally, we're going to drop those temperatures down and get out of record territory. But it's going to depend on not this front. It'll be another front. This one is expected to just wash out, but it's been setting up that boundary there with this disturbance coming in from the Gulf of Mexico, keeping this all to the south. So the storms today across Collier County might have produced a small tornado in the Immokalee area in Collier County. They're kind of surveying that right now, but there was a lot of wind damage there. Now the storms have moved south around Marco Island, Everglades City, and kind of sliding off to the south and east. We like that moisture. We'd like to hang on to it. There still is a very limited or a low chance for some severe weather that does extend over this far to the east as well. So Broward County, part of Miami-Dade, is also in that, but we're going to see the hot and humid conditions stay with us. The best chance for any storms tomorrow would be right near the coast, and that's because we're going to turn those winds just a bit out of the south tomorrow. We've had west winds for a couple of days. That is going to change now to a southerly direction. So afternoon showers and thunderstorms Saturday and Sunday, still quite warm. And then here comes the next front. Let's try to pull this thing through to kind of change our temperatures. So look at that, a nice difference by Tuesday, a high of only 90 degrees. So there's a nice difference for you. Hot, humid Saturday, Sunday, then a little bit cooler with a slight chance for some showers and thunderstorms again, especially on Monday.